Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I have a small Dollar Tree haul to share with you all. I love to go to Dollar Tree. I don't go to Dollar Tree as much as I used to, thank God, because that stuff, it adds up and it just creates so much clutter. Like all the things that are available at Dollar Tree, it personally for me creates so much clutter. But I do love to go there every once in a blue moon. And get things. I like to get things for the house, actually. I love to get those trays. They're like to-go trays, where you can, like, you know, pack a lunch or whatever. I love to grab those containers. And I like to get, like, you know, plastic forks and spoons and stuff like that. So anyways, whenever I go there, I always drop into the craft aisle, obviously, and the beauty aisle. And this is actually from another trip that I went. I think I went with my brother at this time. But I don't know, guys. My Dollar Tree, it used to be so good, and now I feel like we get things really late or they put it out super late. But I'm fine by that because, like I said, I've been trying to stay out of there. So this is the Beauty Mini Fan. This was only $1.25, guys. I think it came in a couple colors, and I grabbed the pink. This is great when you're trying to, like, you know, dry your makeup or whatnot. So I grabbed that. And then I got these for Elijah. He asked, can he grab these? Guys, Elijah is quite the paper crafter, but he likes to draw, like, I gotta show some of his work, guys. Let me know if you want to see it down below. I'll do a video on it. But he creates these, like, he's a Spider-Man fanatic, and he creates these, like, web shooters and stuff like that, and he takes the paper and he colors it in. So he's like, Mommy, can I please get these markers? I'm like, go ahead. So he's like, can I get blue too? And I'm like, yes, you can grab the blue too. So he's got the blue and the red. And these are by Jot. I don't know if they're the best. I like buying the Sharpie markers from there, but they don't have, like, the huge, you know, like the really thick ones there. So I grabbed that for him. And if you guys know, if you don't know, like, you've been hiding under a rock or something, Ione from Dollar Tree is the bomb, okay? I love their lashes. These are kind of, lately, usually I like really fluffy, big lashes. But lately I've been wanting to get, like, more simpler, more subtle. These are still a little bit bigger, but I love getting their lashes, guys. So I grabbed these. These were a little bit more toned down than the other ones, but these are beautiful, guys. The Ione lashes are bomb. I usually would never buy lashes from Dollar Tree, but these are the bomb. And I have another pair of tweezers. Guys, anything from this brand is going to be good. They have really, really great products. I'm telling you, like, try it out. And I have a pair that are blue, and they had pink. So I'm like, of course I had to grab these. And they're pretty good tweezers. You can also use this for your crafting. These are going to be, like, you know, beauty related. And then I saw these. My friend Beth, guys, she's been wearing these press-ons, and they're so pretty. And I'm like, ooh, like, I've been struggling with my nails lately. And I don't know, I might have to try these out. These were so cute. They're a French tip, and they're long coffin shape. I love coffin shape, and they're matte. So I thought these were really pretty for $1.25. They actually have some really beautiful nails at Dollar Tree. So if you're into press-ons, go check it out. And then I grabbed this. This is nail drying drops. And I've never seen this before. It's got jojoba, I hope I'm saying that right, oil and vitamin E. And I was reading the back, and it says that, like, after you paint your nails, you just put a couple drops of this, and that it's gonna, like, dry your nails for you within 90 to 120 seconds. So you gotta wait a minute or whatever. I don't know. I have a fast drying nail polish that I love to use. But since this was $1.25, I figured why not try it out. And then I grabbed this double-sided tape. Now, I have tried this tape years ago, and I'm pretty sure they have not remade it. It was by Craftless Square, and it sucked. Okay? And the reason why I grabbed this is because for my bows, like, I like to, you know, usually tie my bows or whatnot, but lately I've been wanting to use double-sided tape, and I don't want to waste my, like, expensive for my, you know, like, my good tape on that. So I figured that this will be great, and it's gonna hold, even though, like, the hold is not the best, it's gonna do the job enough for me to tie it, you know, afterwards. And you know, when you put your middle, your center and all that, See, because I did it with this, and then I didn't like how this was showing. So that's why I want to use the tape. And all this stuff right here, like whether I use this cheapy tape or if I use these, it doesn't matter, because once I glue something on the center here, like around it, it's gonna hold it really well. So that's why I grabbed that. I don't recommend it for paper crafts. That's just my experience. Let me know down below if you've had a different experience as of late, because like I said, it's been years since I've tried it. And then I picked up some Jot glue. My friend Heather, she sent this cute little, thank you so much, Heather. She sent like a little Easter egg kit for the kids. And I want Ava to play with this, so I bought this glue so that Ava can glue those things on there. So she can't use my glue. And I think somebody shared this with me. I can't remember who it was. I'm so sorry. But they shared this tablecloth stuff. I don't know if it was you, Beth. But anyways, I thought this was so pretty. Look at how cute it is, guys. And it goes perfect with my, you know, spring color theme that I'm going with. Like, look at all the pinks, the greens, the yellows. It just all meshes so well. And so I really want to sew some of this and make some trim. But I don't know, guys. I don't know about the material. Let me know if you've tried that before. I think it should be fine. If I could sew chipboard and I could sew, you know, tulle and all that stuff, I think it should be fine. But I really want to try and you know what? Now that I think about it, it's probably not really going to show much of the pattern because these are such big images. But I'm still going to try and make some trim out of this. Hopefully, I remember to do that. And I love to go in the food aisle, you guys. And I love grabbing different snacks and stuff that they have. And Elijah picked this out. He wants to try this Starburst watermelon gelatin. So it makes Jell-O. And I haven't had Jell-O in years. Guys, Jell-O used to be the bomb back in the day. Let me know down below, what was your favorite Jell-O flavor? I used to love the orange. The orange and the red were my faves. And the green. The green was good too. And so I went in the craft aisle and I found these. You guys know I'm obsessed with floofies. I love furry trim and pom-pom trim and stuff like that. And so this is $1.25. It's fox fur. It's 9 by 12 inches. And at my Dollar Tree, they just had 2 purple and I think they had 2 blue. So I just grabbed I grabbed what they had. I left one of the blues, but I did grab one. I usually don't buy a lot of blue stuff. But like I said, my paper collection and all the spring crafting is perfect. So I've been grabbing little things here and there. I grabbed this. I really didn't need this. It's called Just Yarn Teddy. And there's 109 yards in here, you guys. And it's just this like rough looking stuff. But I love stuff like this because, again, I love creating, like, you know, putting texture in my projects and stuff like that. So I grabbed it to put it in my stash. And then last, but definitely not least, I grabbed some trim. I love grabbing Dollar Tree's trim. So my friend Beth, she shared these ribbons with me. She showed these to me. And I was like, oh, I got to grab them. And on camera, they looked like a regular size, but they're teeny tiny from the regular trims that I typically get from Dollar Tree. And I noticed that they do only come with 6 feet. Usually you get like 9 feet with Dollar Tree's trim. But this is beautiful, guys. I had to grab this. I was so sad they only had one pink. You guys know I love making my little bows. Why did I break it like that? But this is what it looks like. It's a satin ribbon on the edge. And in the middle, it has that velour or that velvet finish. So I grabbed just what they had. I grabbed one of the pink. I'm hoping to find some more of this lighter pink. There's a darker pink. Why did I tear that like that, you guys? It's okay. I'm going to go to town and I'm going to use this whole thing to create some bows. It's not going to create too many, but enough. You know, $1.25 is still not bad. Guys, Dollar Tree is supposed to be raising their prices up to $1.75 soon, like at the end of this month. And it's already the end of the month, so pretty soon. So let me know what your guys' thoughts is on that. Will you still be shopping at Dollar Tree for $1.75 on some of the items? I feel like sometimes Walmart has like better prices than Dollar Tree as of late. So I don't know if I'm going to be shopping at Dollar Tree like that anymore, to be honest with you. Every now and again I might, but I don't know. I'm not really with I know that prices are going to change anyways. There's no way we can control it. But I just feel like bring back the dollar. You know, I was fine with the $1.25, but like $1.75, you're doing too much. I don't know. That's just my opinion. So anyways, there's the light pink. Here is the bright pink. They had 2 white, so I grabbed them. And then I grabbed one of the purple because it is a darker purple and I'm more of the lighter purple. I like more of the lighter purple. And then I grabbed this one. This is called Jelly Ribbon, and I was really curious to see what it looked like. I didn't want to open it in the store, so I just grabbed it. I just bought it. I figured, you know, it'll be pretty either way. And they had this in several colors, but of course I had to grab the pink. You get 9 feet. Oh, okay, it's pretty. So it's like a mesh. I don't know what you would call this material. Let's see. I'm not sure what you would call this material. It's polyester. But it's like thick, guys. It's not like that thin, flimsy stuff. It's beautiful. So I can't wait. I'm glad that I grabbed this. I really don't love sheer ribbons like this. But I think this is going to make a cute, different type of bow for me. So I'll be making bows with this. And I did grab all 3 of the pink because I love pink, guys. I actually love Dollar Tree's ribbon. Whenever I see especially the ribbed one or the satin pink one, and I haven't seen the satin pink in so long, you guys, I always buy all of them because I love them. I create so many bows with them and I use them on all my projects. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Let me know down below what you think about this haul. What was your favorite find? What were you be looking for at Dollar Tree? And let me know again what you guys think about this new price change, from them changing it from $125 to $175. All right, guys, I look forward to seeing your comments, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.